My name is Tariq, and my YouTube name is Viet Packy. I'm about a few blocks away from Wiljan Street. Wiljan Street is the popular tourist destination of Ho Chi Minh City. And now walking a few blocks out, I come across this area which is more urbanized and more rural in terms of the city. But we haven't even touched on areas of the village yet, so stay tuned for that. I want to show you this crazy contrast from this area, and then look down there. You can see by Texco. Such a weird contrast from the rich and poor. As you can see this old lady pushing that huge carriage. These are some of the hardest workers in Vietnam, in my opinion. And as you can tell, the cultural gap or the economic gap between the rich and poor is immensely noticed. I find the narrow alleyways within Ho Chi Minh City, referred to as hem, really interesting, just because it's a whole different atmosphere. These homes within the hem are probably only a quarter of the price of homes that are outside. Hi, Am. How are you?
Hi, okay.
This is my aunt's niece. We just meet up right now. It is May. Right now it's 6 p.m. on February 22nd.
Which is make you cook or just only eat to enjoy?
Eat.
Just a little early.
Oh, either or. So somehow I like to eat a lot or eat a little. Right now we're just deciding on where to eat.
Oh yeah.
Sure, we can try that. Yeah, like appetizer. Right now I'm with my aunt's niece. As you can see, I'm using the stabilizer, so it's much more smooth now. So we just made it to District 5. District 5 of Ho Chi Minh City. This is the coolest place ever. A part of the Vietnamese culture consists of sitting outside and eating with friends and family. This is Michelle. This place is awesome. I love it. Less foreigners and just more locals. No, I hate this. Not fair. Is it really a bubble tea?
Bubble tea. Enjoy it.
Come on. Okay, so as you can see, there's ladyfinger, okra. There's meatballs in there, and the red one, mao đó là gì? I don't know what that is. I don't know what the red one is, but I'll find out. I'll let you guys know. Oh yeah, the octopus. The vegetables, and then sauce. So as you can see in this bubble tea, there are these green pieces of fruit. Cái này tên tiếng Việt. Cú năng. This is cú năng. I'm not really sure what it's called in Vietnamese. No, in English, I mean English. The English term. But it's really good. And as you can also see, the place is getting busier. It's about 7. So this is what it is. If anybody knows what that is, message me, because I don't know. This is like bun chang gung. I don't know what that means, but I'll Google translate that after. It has cheese, mao chang là gì? This sauce. Cheese? Has cheese. Với soy. It's delicious. Right, so right now I'm trying this out.
Sorry.
It's okay. Check it out. Very delicious. It tastes like mixture of cheese with somewhat like the texture of a spring roll. So we're checking out this cool coffee shop here called Kong. Right now I'm at a coffee shop. It's day 5. The coffee shop is called Kong Cafe. Got myself a Vietnamese iced coffee. Here it's called Suda Saigon. And this, I think it's a guava. Guava? Yeah, so it's day 5. I'm still at Sunny Hotel. And then later, gonna see what we're gonna do after this. What's up, everybody? So I just saw this at the coffee shop and I want to explain it. Hopefully some of you can let me know if I'm saying it right. Okay, so hai chúng ta đổi người sai lạ đến công rồi là làm cúng thân quen. Người ngồi im tình yêu sẽ đến. I think it means two people meet as strangers and then they get to know each other. They sit down quietly and then things will happen or love will happen. All right, so let's see, who can I ask if that's right? Anybody who knows Vietnamese, for example, Duke, Tommy, Vivian, everyone else. Let me know if I said it right, okay?